Hi, I'm Emily Myatt, Master Groomer from Pet Stylist Academy on the Gold Coast in Australia. Brand new at Christies Direct is their Master Service Department. Now you've got somewhere you can trust that you can send your clippers, your scissors, your dryers away and they will recondition, sharpen, repair, fix everything that you have in your grooming shop. Try it out. It's really easy. You go online, you book your service, a little piece of paper will come out at your printer with your delivery instructions. You just box your product up, attach your label, and away it goes. Really simple and easy, and all the work is guaranteed.
Hi, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like that, or you can check Christies Direct out on Facebook and Instagram.